What's going on, everybody? We're here on the second to last day of renovation for the unit. Almost everything is done right now. It's just, some minor touches and cleaning that's gonna be done tomorrow. So let me show you guys around. So here you see this is the living room. If you look down at the floors, all the floors have been completely replaced with vinyl. If you look over here, there's dining room area too. This is all painted, all white paint, vinyl flooring as well. There's going to be some cleaning around the window areas. We're going to actually attach two doors right here. So follow me, let me show you guys the half bathroom over here. So this half bath is just a minor touch up, it was nothing too crazy. Cleaned it up a little bit. We're going to clean this all tomorrow and have it looking nice and shiny. So show them a little bit more of the half bath. Then if you come over here, I don't know if you guys last remember the demolition video, but the floors were still being ripped up. We're still applying plywood, but now everything has been put down with vinyl. We actually just put in this new stove over here too. And this is the fridge, same fridge as before. I added a couple new cabinets over here as well. And yeah, let me show you guys around. Here, this is the full bathroom over here. Again, things still need to be cleaned, but as you can see, we have a new vanity. You see, we have a new toilet here as well. Still gonna clean up the bathtub, but yeah, it's looking nice. Let's go show you guys over here. This room as well. Again, vinyl flooring has been done. New baseboards in here as well. Yeah, just painted the whole unit. And then this is the bedroom. Pretty much done here as well. Paint, baseboards, vinyl. Put in some doors for the closet. And let me show you guys the last bedroom, which is back all the way to the front of the house. Last bedroom over here. So this has been completely done too. New baseboards, new paint, and yeah. So we're about to work on the downstairs unit now, since this is pretty much done. Some minor cleanings tomorrow, and then what we have to do is we're gonna find a way to get our downstairs tenant up here so we can work on their unit. So that should be an interesting process on the move back up and down. So yeah, rock with us.